Hey, you guys. All right, today I have for you a short workout on the wall. Body weight only, you don't need anything at all, okay? But we're really gonna focus on working the back, okay? So I want you to think about the muscles of the back. We're gonna get in there nice and deep, okay? So the trapezius into the lower traps, right? That kind of make a nice triangle down the back. The rhomboids right between the shoulder blades. The lats that surround and wrap around the back underneath those shoulder blades. The transverse abdominals, the multifidus, everything's gonna be working. So we're gonna keep great alignment and form as we work through all this. The core is gonna be working double time, okay? Because it's all connected, all right? So join me, find some wall space. That's all you need. And we're gonna get to it, okay? So to start, I want you to come up against the wall, back to the wall. Now, I don't care if your heels touch the wall. You know how when you go to the doctor, they say heels against the wall to measure your height? I don't want you to do that because what that's gonna do is it's gonna throw your ribs open. And I don't want you to flail through the ribs. So I want you to stand on your feet hips width apart. You could even go slightly wider if that's more comfortable for you, but keep your toes pointed forward. Okay? All right, now from there, I want you to come against the wall, not so you're angled and leaning against it. I want you to make sure your heels are under your butt. Your heels are under your butt. Okay, your butt's touching the wall, and I want you to get your shoulder blades against the wall. Now, if you can get your head against the wall too, great. But with all of our forward posture these days, that might be very difficult and may not be possible. So if that's not happening today, that's okay. We're gonna work towards it. All right, your arms are gonna come down and just hang off your shoulders. All right, now from here, head against the wall if it can be, but I want you to make sure the shoulder blades are there. Broaden your collarbone. You're gonna bring your arms up into a 90-degree bend right off the underarm. All right, so my elbows are at underarm height, my palms are facing in. Okay, now from here, we're gonna draw the belly button up and back. All right, so I want you to keep your ribs down. As you inhale, your arms open. And if you can get your arms to touch the wall, the top of your fingers, the top of your hands to touch the wall, great. Exhale, bring them back to shoulder width. Okay, so it's a chest fly. Inhale, exhale. And we're working on mobility, all right? That inhale is very important that we keep the ribs down, okay? I don't want you to open up the ribs. So what that would look like is this. My back is arcing off the wall. I'm flailing through the ribs. I don't want you to do that, okay? Keep the hips in that neutral position. Keep the ribs down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. 4 more. Inhale. And exhale. Last 3. And exhale. Good. Last 2. We're going to be holding the last one open. Okay? So on your next one, you're going to hold those arms open from here. Keep those ribs down. We're going to slide the arms up the wall. Okay? Thumbs towards one another. Keep the ribs down. Exhale, elbows pulled down to the hip. Now you're going to notice part of the arm is going to leave the wall. That's okay, all right? Keep that posture, keep the ribs down and back. Good. Inhale, arms up and overhead, thumbs together. Exhale, elbows towards your hip. Good. Inhale. We're working on that scapula mobility. Okay, so feel the shoulder blades move around the back. As those arms go up, the shoulder blades come down. Exhale, the elbows come down, the shoulder blades come back to normal. They're sliding up and down the back. They kind of work in like a little mini C shape. Exhale. Good, give me 2 more. Inhale, keep the ribs down. Exhale, very intentional movement, right? Takes a lot of focus. Even for me, trying to talk to you is hard. Inhale. And exhale. And bring the arms all the way down, relax. Okay, we are gonna turn to the left, all right? So I want you to turn to the left, stand up on your feet, just like, I don't want you to lean against the wall yet, okay? I just want you to stand up on your 2 legs, hips width apart. Okay, now from here, you're gonna take that left arm and you're gonna bring it out in front of the chest. And now from here, I want you to scoot closer to the wall so you can pin that left arm against the wall. So the top of your left hand is pressing against the wall, and my shoulder is against the wall. Okay, I'm standing up on my two legs. Take your left knee and you're gonna bring it in front of your hip and just hold it right there. Okay, now your right arm is gonna come off the chest to match your left arm. Yes? Okay, stay right here. Now, I want you to make sure you're standing up more on your right foot than you are leaning against the wall. Okay, no leaning against the wall if you can help it. Okay, now from here, my right arm is going to touch my left hand, and then it's gonna inhale, open as I rotate away from the wall. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, open. So the core, that psoas, is holding that left knee in front of the hip. Okay, now we're working on some rotation. Good. Inhale when you rotate, open. Exhale, don't let that left arm leave the wall. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, close. Inhale, rotate. Last three. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Follow your arm with your eyes. Okay, last two. Keep that left knee, don't let it drop. Open. Last one. Exhale. And inhale. Come all the way back to start. And drop that leg and arm. Okay, turn and face the wall. All right, we're just working around the wall today. Hands are gonna come onto the wall, shoulder width apart. Fingertips facing up, okay? Now, I want you to walk your feet back so you're in a wall plank. All right, you're angled against the wall. You're on the balls of your feet. Your legs are hips width apart. Now, you're on your toes, but I want you to make sure that your heels aren't too high. Let's lower your heels so that you have a nice stretch through your Achilles and your calf. All right? Now, shoulders down and back, collarbone nice and wide. I want you to think about your back this entire class. Your elbows are going to bend wide. We're gonna do a wall push-up, all right? This is a great way to enter into push-ups if you're having struggle with the floor. Elbows are gonna track wide as my forehead comes towards the wall. That's the only reason my forehead comes towards the wall. And then I press and protract away, okay? When we bend the elbows wide, they're like the bottom of the letter A, right? They're moving at a 45. And then I inhale, I press away from the wall, and I find extra space between my shoulder blades because I breathe and press away from the wall. Okay, exhale, bend. I'm one long line. I'm not moving my head towards the wall. The only reason my head gets closer to the wall is because my elbows bend, right? Bend and press. Keep those heels relatively low. Okay, bend and press. Four more. Bend, moving plank, right? A push-up is a moving plank. Everything stays in alignment. Rib with hips, draw that belly button up and back. Shoulders are away from your ears. And press. Last two. Bend and press. Good, last one. Bend and press. Now right here, I want you to come to a halfway point and hold it. And we're gonna go 1 inch up and down. Up and down. I want you to think about your back. Moving from your arms live in your back. That is where we're moving from. Think about your mid back, all the muscles right there. The lower traps. Good, you're here for 4. Last 3. Last 2, and 1. Good, press all the way back to 2 straight arms. Stay here. Your right arm is gonna leave the wall. So I want you to bring your right arm all the way down to your side seam, palm facing you. You're gonna take that right arm up and overhead like you're waving at the wall, and back to your hip. Up and overhead, and back to your hip. Good. Nothing has changed with your position, right? I'm still square to the wall. My left arm is long and strong, pushing it away from the wall, right? But my elbow is not locked out. It's got a little micro bend in there. You can't see it, right? But we're not locked into the joint. Last two. Arm comes up and overhead. Feel the scapula move up and down the back on that right side. Scapula moves down as the arm goes up, and then it comes back to normal. Bring your right arm back to the wall. Let's do the left arm, okay? Left arm comes down to your side seam. Same thing. There's a micro bend in that right elbow. Inhale that left arm overhead like you're waving at the wall. Feel the scapula move down your back. Exhale, bring it back. Should feel good after that arm was supporting us on the wall for so long. Okay, and down. Good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Up and down. Beautiful. Last two. Bring that arm up. Palm faces the wall. Bicep hugs the ear. And down. Last one. Up and down. Left hand comes back to the wall. And right here, I want you to give me 6 more push-ups. Elbows track wide. Inhale, press away. Don't be afraid to readjust your hand position. Elbows bend and press. Bend and press. Last 3. Bend, strong core. Good. Every time you press away, breathe in between your shoulder blades. Last 1. And press. And step your feet in to come off the wall. Okay, turn to your left. Right arm is going to come up against the wall. Okay, just like we did on the other side. But right now, I want you to focus on standing up on 2 legs, just underneath your hips. Okay, right arm is going to come off the chest, palm facing in. And now we're going to scoot closer to the wall so I can pin that right arm up against it. Okay, shoulder to top of hand. Okay, now my left arm's going to match it. My right knee is going to come in front of my hip, and I want you to make sure that you're standing, that you could balance and leave the wall on that left leg if you needed to, okay? So you're not leaning against the wall. You're standing up on that left foot. We're just got that right arm pinned against the wall, okay? Right knee is in front of the right knee is in front of the hip. Foot is flexed. All right, job of the core to hold that leg up, so don't let it sink. We're going to exhale as we bring that left hand to tap the right. And on our inhale, we're going to open out to the left. Follow your hand with your eyes. Okay? Exhale, back and tap. Inhale, open. Good. Exhale, tap. Inhale, open. Beautiful. Come back, finding that mobility, finding a little range of motion with that rotation. Exhale, center. Keep that left shoulder away from your ear. 4 more. Inhale. Exhale, come back. Good. Last 3. And come back. Good. Last 2. Don't let that right knee drop. Keep it up there. You've got 1 more. Open it up. And come back. Hold that left arm right off the chest. And bring that right arm all the way, the right leg all the way down. Okay, last and final thing. Back against the wall again, but this time we're going to end in a wall sit. Okay, so you're going to find a 90-degree bend with those knees. I know, is not very exciting. So your back is up against the wall. Your knees, 90 degrees is what we're aiming for. If we're not there yet today, that is fine. I just want your knees bent, okay? So you might be up here a little bit higher because we're not ready to go so low. Find your spot, but challenge yourself, okay? Tailbone is up against the wall, so are my shoulder blades. All right, I've got those knees tracking over the middle of my foot and tracking with my big toe, second toe. Yes, I already feel my quads. Yes. Okay. All right. Now, from here, if you can get the head up against the wall again, fantastic, but I need you to keep those ribs closed. Okay. We're going to bring those arms back up to that 90-degree bend right off the chest. Okay. We're doing the same thing with our arms that we did earlier, but now we're in a wall sit. All right. Here we go. On your inhale, you're going to open into that chest fly. If you can tap the wall, fantastic, but keep those ribs down. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. Good. Inhale. And exhale. You've got this. Okay? Nice and simple. Not complicated. Doing worlds of good stuff for your body right now. The entire body is working. Inhale. And exhale. Last 3. Inhale. And exhale. This is great work to help your posture. Okay, can't emphasize that enough. Okay, last 2. Inhale and exhale. Last 1. Open and narrow. Now, give me one more opening. Just one more. All right, and just 4 times. We're going to slide these arms up the wall and down the wall. Whoo, down to your hip. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 2 more. Up, inhale. Keep those ribs down. Keep that tailbone against the wall. You've got this. Okay, last 1. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to right off the chest. And step yourself all the way back up. Whoo, guys. That was quite the little 15-minute workout, right? Okay, so lots of work on the back there. The whole body was working. The core, the legs got incorporated at the end there a little bit more. So you've got everything, but really focusing on scapular mobility, okay, and working all those muscles of the back. Nice job, all right? I will see you next time.